Hi, I'm Justin Barba, professional paint contractor. Today I'm going to show you the benefits of Benjamin Moore's ARBORCOAT exterior stain. Using Benjamin Moore's waterborne colorants and revolutionary acrylic resins, ARBORCOAT has been engineered to achieve outstanding color and durability in every finish. It penetrates deep into the wood for long-lasting protection while deflecting UV rays, adding to the stain's toughness. ARBORCOAT truly is the next generation in stain technology. With a complicated project like this, you don't want to spend every summer restaining. With ARBORCOAT, you won't have to. ARBORCOAT comes in a wide variety of premium quality products, including a protective clear coat and stains available in 4 different opacities: transparent, semi-transparent, semi-solid, and solid. If you choose a less opaque stain like transparent or semi-transparent, you'll see more wood grain and you can seal it with the protective clear coat for added durability and UV protection. The sun's rays break down the lignins that hold wood fibers together, causing them to fall apart and turn gray, just like this stretch of siding. The sun beats down on it all afternoon and the conventional oil-based stain previously applied to the siding can't take it. Applying a coat of semi-solid ARBORCOAT will help resist the sun for years to come. If you choose semi-solid or solid ARBORCOAT, you'll see less of your wood grain, but your job will last longer, since the added body of the stain deflects more sunlight, protecting the wood underneath. Also, the solid stains hide blemishes in the wood and create a uniform finish. Before staining, always be mindful of the weather, temperature, and humidity, since they all influence your project. Direct sunlight and wind cause rapid drying and produce lap marks, so as you would with any paint job, avoid staining in direct sun. Always plan ahead, anticipating where the sun will be in the afternoon, typically the south and west ends of the house. Work on them in the morning. Also avoid the temptation to stain wet wood. Just because your wood seems dry doesn't mean moisture isn't lurking beneath the surface. We pressure wash and scrub this siding yesterday. Just because it seems dry today doesn't mean it is. We're going to give it 2 or 3 days before staining. Moisture hidden inside the wood will interfere with any stain's ability to penetrate and achieve maximum durability. ARBORCOAT can be applied to surface temperatures as low as 40 degrees, significantly extending your staining season. All surfaces to be stained must be properly prepared in order to achieve the best results. If your exposed wood is grayed out like this fence, all is not yet lost. You can use products like Benjamin Moore's Restore, Clean, and Brighten to renew wood fibers, remove the gray, and get it ready for stain. Shiny surfaces coated with varnish or other high-build products must be sanded away or stripped with Benjamin Moore's Remove Finish Remover in order for ARBORCOAT to penetrate into the wood. Never stain over a hard, shiny surface or your new stain might peel. Sanding with a random orbit sander helps quickly remove loose stain and won't leave sanding marks. If your surface is smooth new wood or is just dirty, you can clean it with Benjamin Moore's Clean multi-purpose cleaner, then either rinse it with a garden hose or pressure washer in a downward motion. Pressure washing is safe, although don't use too much pressure or you risk chewing into the soft layers of your wood or damaging your surface. If you pressure wash wood siding, make sure to angle the stream downward so the water flows with the siding, and never use an aggressive tip. Whether you're staining a deck, fence, or wood siding, working with ARBORCOAT is simple if you follow a few basic rules. Always keep a wet edge, never stopping midway along a board. This means you want to only stain a few boards at a time, say 2 or 3, from one side to the other to avoid leaving lap marks. Always stop at natural edges like windows or doors. With this wall, we're working together. I'm using the roller to apply stain to the surface, while my brother Josh is coming along right behind me and back brushing. This means he's laying off all the stain that I put on, gives us good penetration and a nice smooth finish. For small areas like this, we're going to brush on the stain in order to work it into the wood and get maximum penetration. Just spread it out over a couple boards, laying it on evenly. It'll stay where you put it for the most part, but watch for runs or drips and just pick them up with your brush before they start setting up. Also avoid skimping on the material. Put on a nice even coat, then move down the board. Whether you're talking about paint or stain, you can stretch any material too thin. Well, that about covers the basics of using ARBORCOAT. And remember, it offers many benefits compared to conventional oil-based stains. It lasts longer, so you won't have to stain as often. And it dries faster, which means you can return your surface to use sooner. Another great benefit of using ARBORCOAT is it cleans up with soap and water, so it's easy on both you and the environment. Thanks for joining me for this look at Benjamin Moore's ARBORCOAT exterior stain.